Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, it's Monday, June 9th, 19th day of U.S. versus Sean Combs. Still the witness known as Jane on the stand. Still direct. It'll be all day direct, apparently, and then the cross will begin. But issues have arisen, and one is forced to proceed delicately. There's a kind of a credibility gap between some reporting about Jane's identity based on questions or testimony elicited by the prosecution and others not. Is it tenable? How long will it go on? Are the instructions given, including to not in any way reflect the identity in notes, creating a chilling effect? These are issues that may well be raised, but we're going in to see first what the court and possibly Jane's counsel have to say. Jane's counsel said she was going to put in ex parte, secretly, a hit list of influencers. We'll see. We'll have to just see. So we're going in. There was a filing by the defense of its emails from the previous week. This was under an order that Inner City Press, to toot our horns, had won in week one. We said they have to docket these things. The judge said do it at the end of the week. Now, it's not as useful when it's at the end of the week rather than in real time. But it did. But I didn't see yet the U.S. docketing. So the prosecution's docketing. I don't understand that. So that too might be raised. It should be an exciting day, and we're going to be live tweeting it all the way. In other news, Nadine Menendez, who was convicted in just such a trial before Judge Stein, has submitted an extremely large motion for acquittal signed by a former SDNY prosecutor. So that's how that rolls. We'll see how well that works out. We also wrote. This is a smaller, but I think important story. I mean, what am I to say? It's not the story that's important, it's what's actually happening. A Honduran woman was summoned last week, right near here, to a contractor's building across the street from 26 Federal Plaza, and was taken into custody. She's filed a habeas petition. We wrote a story about it, and we're going to follow it. Now, in kind of related news, obviously there are all these events in Los Angeles, and by the way, a piece that we put out, a video that we put out over the weekend, citing that and a few other matters, was demonetized by YouTube. I don't know if it's because of the LA reference. I don't know if it's they just have some kind of automated censorship machine, as took place more seriously on our initial reporting on the Diddy trial. Basically, like the second book, Diddy Detained, blocked. So we've gone on Google Play and you can find it there, and how we've appealed the YouTube thing, so we'll see it. That's just a sort of a censorship. There's a theme here, censorship update. Now, as to the United Nations, we've last week asked them about a number of scoops. Staff write to us because they have no other recourse, and they've shown a systematic pattern of conflicts of interest in the Office of the High Commissioner of Human Rights, and nobody's answered it. In fact, on Friday was Eid. I sent in only that question, no other questions, no answer at all. Meanwhile, the former ICC prosecutor, Mr. Khan, it's alleged that he told his sexual abuse victim, "Don't turn me in, it'll hurt the people of Palestine." That's a level of cynicism not yet seen, but it's one that I believe Antonio Guterres shares. He's virtue signaling and flexing so that his own corruption doesn't bring him down. But censorship is not a good look, and it should not be accepted. It is a litmus test, 2025. But for now, here in the near reigning streets of New York, with across the street a series of media tents, and in front of the building a series of, I guess, influencers, we're going in, Inner City Press.